Namaste, friends. I'm sure each one of you have heard this voice from within. The voice that tells us, I cannot do it. How can I do that? It is so difficult. It is unsurmountable. These limiting thoughts are very common for human mind to suggest and is a very strong roadblock for any aspirant to overcome. These voices always tell us about our incapacity, inadequateness, and make us small in our attempts and in our endeavors. And that happens, these voices become audible to us when we identify with the ego that is deluded by the Maya around. There is attachment to the Maya, and due to the attachment, it always pulls us down because this is the fertile bed on which the ego can prosper. If we identify with the soul, then we will be open to realize our full potential. We will be open to see the endless possibilities that each one of us is capable of achieving. And that is what the ego does not want, because you are going to get away from the clutches of it, and hence it tries to suggest to you through these pessimistic impressions, this is not possible, this is not doable, you cannot do it, you are not capable. But my dear friends, this is not the reality. If you are aspiring for God communion, you ought to look at karma that you undertake with devotion, with fearlessness, and as an offering to God. That can only happen when you attach with your soul. And that's when you can break away from this cage, internal cage that is within us, and soar into higher planes which you are capable of the moment you identify with the soul, the moment you get the purpose of your life, the moment you want to dwell on higher consciousness. These voices which you were hearing earlier, which were telling you these limiting thoughts of your incapacity, will completely be silenced. The brilliance that is within will shine through. But the devotee has to make an attempt. And that attempt can happen only when he attaches with the soul. The ego will be a mute spectator, and the devotee can realize his full potential by engaging in thoughts and actions which are for a higher purpose. Let us listen to the voice of the soul. Let us shine through the brilliance of this soul, and let us put the ego to its rightful place. Namaste.